Hello guys, today we are gonna go ahead and work on the chain stitch for embroidery. So this is probably one of my more fun stitches that I like to do. So I've got my thread. I'm using 3 strands of thread right now. You can use more, you can use less. I would definitely experiment with using more and less. It definitely changes the look of your stitch. So let's get to it. So we've got one, I've got my needle threaded. Go ahead and do my first one here. So we're gonna come up through one hole, we're gonna go down the same hole, or right next to it, and then kind of sandwich just a hair. So I'm literally squeezing up and through. We're gonna pull our needle up. We're gonna loop it through here to make our first chain. All right, so when you come through, we're gonna go in the same hole again and lift up on your piece. If you have a hard time spacing it this way, you can totally go back down. I'll do that for the next one. We're gonna loop it around, and then we're basically making a chain. All right, we're gonna do this again. Okay, this time I'm gonna go all the way down. So do not pull tight, leave your loop here, and then you can come back in exactly where you want between your loops. So I am just literally laying my loop over where I'm going, and then when you pull tight, it automatically makes that chain loop. Now, when I'm doing this, I am not pulling super tight. If you pull super tight, you're gonna lose all that chain rounded look. So you definitely don't wanna pull super tight, because then if you do that, it's gonna you're gonna lose that rounded edge and it's just gonna flatten out here. All right, so let's keep going here. And we're gonna loop this around again for our next little chain. All right, we're just gonna keep going all the way down. This time I'll do this one again. So we've got our loop. We're gonna come through, pull, and we're just gonna keep going. So that is the chain stitch. I really like the look of this stitch. It's probably one of my favorites to actually do. So definitely give it a try and let me know what you think. Tell me in the comments what your favorite embroidery stitch is. Also, be sure to like and subscribe so that way you can learn all about embroidery and different felt crafts along the way.